To bring life to this commitment, on day one, Ruto swore in the judges whom President Uhuru Kenyatta had, contrary to the law, failed to swear in. That was as a demonstration of commitment to the rule of law. In fact, even before the Kenya Kwanza government came into office, they emphasized on the importance of the rule of law and in fact danced themselves lame when BBI was declared to have been unlawfully executed. Kenya Kwanza should thus remember that rule of law is not just an action, like swearing in of judges, but it includes a process that is conducted according to the law. The Public Finance Management Act guides the budget process, and I want to be more particular on section 40 thereof, and subsection 3 of that section 40 states that on the same date when the cabinet secretary is reading budget highlights and revenue raising measures, that is the date that the finance bill setting out the revenue raising measures shall also be tabled before the August House. Now, there has been national discourse on the finance bill as it was being developed, and its introduction to Parliament should have been in line with the law. Kenya Kwanza claims to have the numbers. What was there to fear? Why rush to actions that are outside the law? The majority side had no justification in pushing for vote on a finance bill in the rushed manner in which they did. It is anticipated in law that debate on the bill, and indeed any voting, would have succeeded the budget highlights by the CS. Therefore, the budget highlights should precede the debate on the finance bill.